Hey guys, Christian Moss Canopies and 4x4 here again. What have we got today? We have got a steel canopy that's going to be going on this Volkswagen Amarok. It looks like it's an oldie but a goldie. You can see over here the Amarok has been through it a little bit, but I like to see these work utes being used as work utes. Now, what are we on? One thing I want to draw attention to you guys to, screwed up that sentence, Queensland. Customers come all the way from up north to get a steel canopy fitted by us. You know why? Because we do it at the best price and we do it with the best service. So other than that, we're going to go through the assembly and the fitment and let's get into it.
Young Apollo with the win.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fit video. Very straightforward. We'll do a quick little showcase while we're at it. 2 push locks on each door, front and rear glass of course. You've got the brake light over here so that people can see when you are stopping, considering we have also blocked off the OEM brake light. You can see here, fitment. Struggling with my words today, bro. Fitment wise, very straightforward. 3 clamps either side, put the seal on and get the canopy on there and clamp it down, right? The assembly is just kind of what you want to pay attention to make sure that the unit is as watertight as it can be. But apart from that, we've got these available for 1,999 supplied. You heard it right. 1,999 supplied for a brand new canopy for your Amarok or for whatever that you have, right? Hooked on phonics. I've got to do my tongue exercises, what is it, my phonetic exercises, whatever they call it, bro. I'm not that smart. I'm selling canopies. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, go to ozcanopies.com.au to see if we've got one of these steel canopies for your ute. We've got them for basically every ute driving around at the moment. These rails come standard. These things are rated up to 300 kilograms. All right, other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.